Okay, this is a video that's one in a series that looks at shell structures in architecture using Rhino. In this tutorial, we will make a straight edge hypercurved shell, and in plan it's going to be a square. So let's start out by drawing a square. I'm going to turn on my grid snaps, and in my case I'm going to draw a 50 foot by 50 foot square. Now I'm going to create some three-dimensional lines from two opposite corners of this square. So if I type in the command line enter, I can click on vertical in lieu of changing my construction plane. Vertical, that's my start of the line, and now it draws a vertical line, and I can type in the distance, and my height will be half of my length and width, so 25 feet, enter, and then I can tell Rhino that I want that to be a vertical line. I can take that line and copy it to the opposite corner of the square. I'll need to draw a hyperbola down this middle axis. So I'll draw a line, and I need a vertical line from the middle of that axis. So I'm going to type in line, and I'm going to choose vertical, and this line I'll make it 20 feet tall. So now I can draw my hyperbola, and I need my construction plane to be planar to the hyperbola. So I can type in C-plane, enter, use a 3-point. I'll choose this intersection as my origin, second point, which is positive X here, and positive Y there. Now I can draw my hyperbola. It will be a saddle, so I want to draw from bottom, top. Okay, so there's the hyperbola. Now I need the edges, which will be straight edges. So I can do that just by drawing lines. I'm going to set my C-plane back to world top, and I can use Rhino's 3D snapping to just draw some lines for the edges. So I'll have an edge there. I'll have an edge here. Okay, so we'll make 1/2 of the shell, and we can mirror it to the other side. And we can do that by using a surface from network curves. Click on that, pick 1, 2, 3, enter. Okay, and I can mirror that surface to the other side. And there we have our hypercurved shell with straight edges.